It's 9,000 years ago. You are kneeling beside a goat on a hillside in Anatolia. The goat's udder is swollen. Her kid died in the night. You squeeze the liquid into a clay bowl, and you drink. When did humans start drinking milk? One of the strangest questions in human history, because milk wasn't invented, it wasn't discovered, it was survived. Most people picture something natural, a cow, a pasture, a glass, the most ordinary thing in the world. But for 290,000 years of human history, milk was poison to every adult alive. Every mammal produces milk, and every mammal, humans included, stops digesting it after weaning. The enzyme that breaks down lactose is lactase. Your body makes it as an infant, then shuts it off. For nearly all of human history, that switch flipped off in every single person by age 5. The first herders were in the Fertile Crescent 110,000 years ago. Goats and sheep for meat, wool, bone tools. But adults couldn't drink the milk. Cramps, gas, diarrhea. The body rejected it, so they did something clever. They fermented it. Milk in a warm clay pot for a day separates into curds and whey. The bacteria that sour it also digest the lactose. What's left is cheese, yogurt, kefir, almost no lactose. In 2018, archaeologists found milk proteins trapped in the calcified plaque on 8,000-year-old teeth from Anatolia. The people had been eating dairy, but not drinking it. For 282,000 years, that was the story. Adults didn't drink milk. And then, one person changed everything. Around 7,500 years ago, in the grasslands between the Balkans and Central Europe, a mutation appeared in a single human being. One DNA letter changed. A single nucleotide in a regulatory gene near LCT, the gene that produces lactase, and the switch that should have turned lactase off after weaning, didn't. This one person could drink raw milk as an adult. No cramps, just dense, liquid calories that didn't require slaughtering the animal. The mutation spread, not through migration, through survival. In a world of famine, the people who could drink milk had a food source nobody else had. The goat, the sheep, living pantries. When crops failed, the milk drinkers lived. The gene moved faster than any genetic variant in human history. Within 4,000 years, it reached over 70% in Northern Europe. Today in Scandinavia, over 90% of adults carry it. But here's where it gets stranger. The same ability evolved independently, at least 3 separate times. In Kenya, in Sudan, and parts of East Africa, cattle herding cultures developed their own lactase persistence mutations on different parts of the genome, thousands of years apart from the European one. 3 genetic paths to the same ability. Convergent evolution, driven by the same pressure, survive on milk. Today, about 35% of humans can digest milk as adults. The other 65% are lactose intolerant. The normal human condition, the one that held for 290,000 years, is that adults can't drink milk. The mutation is the exception. It just happens to be the exception that built the dairy industry. A few hundred years ago, milk went from survival food to industry. 1863, Pasteur invents pasteurization. 1884, the first glass milk bottle is patented. By the 1950s, milk is delivered to every door in America as ordinary as water. The milk in your fridge is 200 million years old. The ability to drink it is 7,500 years old. And the belief that it's normal, that part is barely a century old. We didn't invent milk. We invented the ability to drink it as adults, survived because of it, and then forgot how strange that was.